Hi there, welcome to Everyday English with Mandisa. Do you struggle to speak English, let alone understand? Do you freeze during conversations at work, in meetings, on the phone? Do you feel the words in your head, but they won't come out? You are not alone, and that is exactly why I created this channel. My name is Mandisa, and welcome to Everyday English with Mandisa. On this channel, I help non-native English speakers become confident communicators, not through boring grammar rules, but through real life conversations you can use immediately. Every week, we practice English for job interviews, meetings and presentations, phone calls, travel and restaurants, and everyday conversations that happen to you right now. No textbooks, no complicated explanations, just real English for real life. My method is simple. I give you the phrase, I show you the situation, we practice together, and you walk away ready to use it today. If you're ready to use English right now and stop translating in your head, this is the channel for you. Click subscribe and join thousands of learners just like you who are transforming their English for conversation, one conversation at a time. And before you go, download my free guide, 100 Essential English Phrases for Work and Everyday Life. The link is in the description below. I will see you in the next lesson. Let's do this.